Good morning from Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are here because the opening date of Toy Story Land is fast approaching. So I want to see what we can see, like how far along they are. Maybe we can get a quick update on Galaxy's Edge too. Let's head in. Before we head too far in, I did stop by the Skyliner station on the way in. It is coming right along. Still got a little ways to go, but a lot further along than I thought it was gonna be. I've been in the park for about 30 seconds now. It's 90 degrees outside. I'm already sweating like crazy. It's gonna be a hot day. I know we go in here every time, but let's soak up some AC. I don't know if there's any new magic bands. What is this from Solo? Because I do not know what any of this is. There's only 5,000 of them. And this magic band is $24. You guys tell me what it's from? I'm assuming Solo. I have a feeling today is going to be a lot of jumping in and out of air-conditioned places and water. Lots and lots of water. It is very hot out today. Still nothing new for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, but I did notice some of these paintings up here and the coloring on the outside of the Chinese theater is a little bit brighter than it normally is. Has this been redone, or am I wasn't paying attention before? Most likely I wasn't paying attention, but it does look newish. Uh-oh. There's a sign. So that leaves 3 rides here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. In other words, very, very soon. Ooh, they're taking people in. I wonder what's going on. Well, that's interesting. I guess it's just like employee previews, maybe. Oh, there's Woody back there. They got the gate open just enough for me to see a nice shot of Woody and the Toy Story Land sign. So Toy Story Midway Mania is closed. I'm assuming that's because they're doing a preview, like an employee preview, and they're letting them come in on the backside and ride this as part of a Toy Story Land preview. I feel bad for Cruz Ramirez. She's down here all by herself and there's nothing else going on at this end of the street. Oh, she's laughing at me. Oh dear. I feel you though. I feel you, Cruz. Because there's nothing else going on aside from having a look at the construction for Star Wars Land that you cannot see because they put up trees. All I can see is cranes sticking up over top of the berm. So right now, they are running with cast members on it. See if I can get it going by. There it goes. I'm excited to see what this little building is going to look like. I like the design of it right now. It's very Art Deco. I came into Walt Disney Presents and the Green Army Men are just walking through. I guess they wanted, like me, to have a little bit of an air conditioning break. Inside of the Walt Disney Theater, they're actually showing a preview of Incredibles 2. They also have some concept art out here from the movie. And some maquettes. Some character maquettes. There's Edna and Jack Jack. They also have on display costumes from the Black Panther. I didn't realize Forrest Whitaker was so gigantic. Oh. This is pretty neat. This is really amazing looking. Can I get like up close on the side here? Look at that. How do you think they made that? I'm very impressed with it. This raccoon, again. I gotta see this movie so I can understand what's going on with this raccoon. Here's the bad guy, the Screen Slaver. Here's all the other supers like we met the cosplayers in Magic Kingdom. These are the actual supers that they were cosplaying as. Pretty soon we're gonna be standing in line for hours waiting to get on Slinky Dog Coaster.
Recruits reporting for inspection. Am I missing something? What's this? Congratulations, recruits. You'll be our next squadron of TIE fighter pilots. That's all. You'll be contacted to report for training. That's a no. Aren't you a little bold for a civilian? There. It's an important decision.
This is awesome.
Proceed with image capture.
So, nothing really new and exciting over at Toy Story area, or at Toy Story Land. Let's go over to Galaxy's Edge and see what we can see there. Last time we were here, we couldn't see anything because they put up trees. Maybe it'll be different this time? Oh yeah, they're definitely doing a good job of keeping it hidden behind the trees. I can't see anything. Oh, they added in a little extra theming element to the photo op. It's got a cord running out to it. Is there a light back here? Oh yeah, there are lights back here to light it up at night. Brilliant. That's a good way of hiding lights too, because it adds just an extra layer to the artwork. Tourist Waldorf and Statler are probably my favorite Waldorf and Statler. One last place to look for construction updates, and that's back here at the exit to Muppet Vision 3D. Ooh, they're really trying to prevent us from seeing inside. They have put the exterior wall up on this one section of building so we can't see into it. Yeah, look at that. Can't see in over there. And then there's a tree and there's no exterior on the building over here. So I came into the park thinking that I was gonna do an update on the construction. So far, everything has been blocked off. I can't see anything, except for that one shot of Woody that we got right when we first got here. Can't see anything else. We got trees blocking everything. Dang dang. You know what? Let's go upstairs to Pizza Rizzo, see if we can see into Galaxy's Edge. There is not much to see from up here either. All that I can see is that is the show building for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. And there's just some stairs leading up to the roof. That's all that I can see. About the best shot that I can get is through the trees where we watched that dirt dump out of that crane that one time. Still not a very good shot. This is interesting. It says that Star Tours is only a 15-minute wait. I'm kind of guessing that Star Tours has such a low wait time because this entire walkway over here is blocked off. This is the easiest way to get to Star Tours from the front of the park. And it's closed. It looks like they're just replacing some concrete. I wonder if that has to do with them moving the stage from in front of the Chinese theater all the way backstage in order to have the projection show. I'm assuming so, because the concrete is definitely very broken over here in front of Path of the Jedi Trading Academy. So just to give you guys a little bit of wayfinding, this is Star Tours right here. This is Grand Avenue, which will lead into Galaxy's Edge. And here is Sci-Fi Dine-In. That's the way that we have to go to get back to Echo Lake, which is the lake with the dinosaur in front of the park. So now we've made it back to the Hyperion where Frozen Sing-Along is. And you can start to see where they've replaced some concrete over here. Brand new concrete out here in front. Looks like they definitely had to replace some stuff. So here we are on the other side over by the Star Wars Path to the Jedi, which is just a little show for you to escape the heat. Here are the bush walls, or the shrubbery walls. There's bathrooms back here, but you can't get through. There is also a meet and greet, but that's it. I did always think that it was funny that over here they have what's called an Xbox game port. And there's just Xboxes in here for you to play Disney games. I've never played Disney Infinity before. I want to be Kylo Ren. Here we go, I'm running around. Look at me, I'm Kylo Ren. I'm wearing a shirt. I usually don't. I somehow picked up a Fozzie wearing a clock and having a gardening hoe. Where am I taking him? Oh, I can't run very fast because Fozzie's heavy. I'm in a land speeder all of a sudden. Out of my way, Banta. Rocks. Ooh. I'm on X Games mode. All right, let's head back into Launch Bay and see if they have anything for Solo. I'm starting to think that maybe there will be something in there because of all the signage here. This sign seems awfully ominous after hearing what happens in Infinity War. The very first gallery to the left has been entirely updated with Solo stuff. I have to keep talking because of this music. I always get hit with copyright claims anytime that we play anything from Star Wars. This is FD3MN. Looks pretty dangerous, actually. It looks like a fighting droid. WG-22 also looks like a scary fighting droid. Do they have battle bots in this universe? I guess they do. Droid fighting pits. That sounds amazing. Oh, here's some galactic currency and Han Solo's lucky dice. There they are. Here's Chewie and Han's goggles. I like that Han Solo's outfit just looks like he's a painter. The Millennium Falcon with auxiliary craft. Is that what this thing here in the center is? Because I know in all the other films there's nothing around the front here. It's like open. The M68 land speeder. That's cool looking. Looks kind of like a lunchbox though. There's Lando's toolkit. Kind of looks like he's a dentist. Oh, that's the guy whose magic band we saw earlier today. This is his Electro Ripper, sorry. This is his Electro Ripper. They have a couple more small models of some of the crafts from the movie. A few more costumes here and there too. Stormtroopers seem to be following me around. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good.
Have you pledged your loyalty to the First Order?
She's just waving at him.
That's good. Haven't you been seen with Resistance sympathizers?
Not today.
That's good. Stay out of trouble.
Okay.
Affirmative.
They almost caught me. Here's something that I never noticed before. They just have cups of blue milk over here. They're definitely glued down though, so I can't have any. Is this the bartender, like the robot bartender? I never noticed they've got Boba Fett's backpack in here. And there's that mask that Lando wore. I'm fairly certain that's an ice cream churner. So they love space ice cream. Oh dear.
I think it likes you.
They have Han Solo's leather jacket for sale in here for a mere $400. So Disney Junior live on stage will be closing soon. We don't know when, but this fall they're gonna have a new show in here called Disney Junior Dance Party. I don't know what it's gonna be all about. I guess it's just dancing with the Disney Junior characters. The new Disney Junior Dance Party is a musically infused interactive concert hosted by Finn Fiesta and a DJ named DJ, who involve you in all the fun, including live appearances from some of your favorite characters, fun music from Disney Junior, and much more. I'm guessing that instead of a puppet show, it will be full-size characters coming out doing a meet and greet like dance party with the kids. I'm gonna go inside Brown Derby real quick and show you guys the entrance to Club 33 here at Hollywood Studios. Here it is. It's this elevator. You're supposed to use your magic band, and they've got a little speaker and a camera, or just up those stairs, I believe, but you definitely have to meet with somebody to get in because it's a special club. This is the waiting lobby where you check in to go to Brown Derby, Hollywood Brown Derby, and over here is the entrance to Club 33, right there. In the lobby of the Hollywood Brown Derby, they've got a few signatures inside of the guest book. Like here's Art Linkletter, and here's Julie Andrews. So any celebrity that comes usually signs this book. Oh no, Sweet Treats. I used to love coming into Sweet Treats to see what kind of stuff they have, but it looks like it's closed right now and being refurbished. Or excuse me, Sweet Spells, not Sweet Treats. Here's something interesting. Over at Real Vogue, they have a whole display of Incredible stuff. Is this all stuff that you can get inside of here? Oh, because there is a huge display of Incredibles merchandise in here. And you can hear them working on Sweet Spells over there. It doesn't feel like a very busy day, but because there's only 3 rides open right now, all the ride wait times are very, very high. I mean, I guess not. Tower of Terror is only 35 minutes. That's not bad at all. Maybe I was wrong about today. We are at the 3rd ride at Hollywood Studios, and it is a 115-minute wait for a Rock and Roller Coaster. I did hear that it was down for 2 hours this morning. So this is the Fast Pass line because everybody that had a Fast Pass this morning got a free reign Fast Pass. They come back at any time, and it looks like a lot of people are coming back now. We're stopping at Disney & Co, and then I think we're gonna head out because it is just too hot. They have a lot of Solo Story stuff for sale in here, including pop figures. There it is. This Millennium Falcon has the little extra ship that can mount to the front of it. Kind of answers my question right there. The pop figures are $15 and this is $40. For $24 you can get a Duffy with a Mickey Premium Bar or a Shelly May with a little 2018 pouch. This is cool. I like it, and she's wearing the all-over print shirt. So is he. Ooh, I like this one. It is a tie-dyed Spirit jersey with rainbow print on the back. This one's awesome, and the castle's in rainbow too. This is amazing. This feels like a kid's shirt though. I wonder how much it is. This is $40. I am assuming it's a kid's size because it's very small. Like even for the large. Yeah, that's not a large, like adult. So it has definitely gotten entirely too hot to spend a full day in the parks. I have a feeling that a lot of these videos that we're gonna be doing over the summer might not be as long as the other ones unless I can find spots to cool off and stuff like that, because it's very hot. 90 degrees is hard to bear for a long period of time. So we are gonna call it a short day. A lot of stuff happening at Hollywood Studios. I cannot wait for Toy Story Land to open. I'm excited. So with that being said, we are off and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Pretty Boy Yet.
And I'm Sarah, and now it's time to pay the price.
That's right. The TimTracker. Yay!